Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you'll be learning how to use AI to personalize your pen, creating stylish name design, as you can see in the video. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Now you go to your Google, you type Bing image creator, as you can see, then click on search. So when you click on search, it displays the first website, that is www.bing.com. So as you can see, you click on the first option there. Now after you click on the first option, as you can see, it changed to this environment. So if this is your first time, you have to register with your email. So now I've registered already. Now I have 15 coins. So let me paste the prompt. A beautiful yellow pen with a name angel is written on pen off-white background and is placed on off-white very shiny table. Care flower lights, pen side name, clearly written name, pen placed on, then click on create. Now as you can see, as the prompt is loading, it's going to give us 4 different images. So we are going to select from the 4 images or see everything one by one, then choose the one you want to download. So as you can see, now we have 4 different images. So lovely. So let us check it one by one. Wow, look at this, so lovely. Look at the name angel boldly written on the pen. Lovely. Color of the pen to the yellow. Look at this too as well. The flowers, the complimentary card too as well. Wow, look at this too as well. So lovely. So lovely. Like this too. Look at the other one too. Look at this angel. Look at the flowers, tables. Everything is good. So let us check another one. So there's another one I did. So I'm going to show you that one too as well. Let me scroll. This particular one I did this too as well. So it's loading. So let me show you this one. So I so love this one. This is very good. Look at this. So lovely. Wow, love this. Now let me show you the other ones I did. Let me show you this too as well. This is very good. So I'm done with this. Look at this too as well. Very good. Look at the lightning, look at the flowers, very good too as well. So and this one too, look at this color yellow, then this as well too. So I'm through with angel. Let me show you another one I did with another name. Apart from angel, let me show you another name. I think these two, yeah, let this load. So lovely. Look at this too, precious. I love this. So unique. Love that. Look at the flowers, even on the pen too as well. Look at this too. This also good too as well. So look at this too. Wow, love this. Look at the flowers. Look at the gifts behind it too as well, having the name precious on it. So lovely. So as you can see, if you want to download the image, just click on the 3 dots at the front end and click on download. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. That is the image that's been downloaded. So let me show you another name I created with AI using Bing image creator. So let me click on this. Yeah, I think this is Christian. Yeah, I did it for Christian. So let me click on that image first. Loading. Wow, so good. Like this. Look at the complimentary card. Look at the pen. So lovely. Look at the gold lantern there. Then look at this, another color, good color. Now the last one is Noah. For Noah. So that's the name there for Noah. Wow, so lovely. So lovely. I like this. So lovely. So as you can see, that's how to create name design using AI for pen. So we want the prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt. If you are still watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get updates or get notified whenever I upload a video like this. Kindly click on the like button on your screen right now, and also do well to share this video across your socials. Also do well to drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.